Hey traders, we're going to have a look at silver and gold. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, so pretty big move happened overnight, and that's something that I've been saying for the last couple of weeks, that we're getting ready for some nice movement in the markets, and I think this is the start of a pretty decent move in the markets. Now it's really interesting. Let's have a look at let's have a look at this here on the daily chart of gold, and you can see gold is up almost 1 point. Right now it's actually, you can see it's live, basically 1.3% right now. You can see how we bounce really nicely off that channel right here. So you can see real nice. Really nice bounce off that channel, as you can see, and the really interesting thing is, guys, is as I've been saying all week now, is that by looking at this weekly chart, we're getting right into this support level here, and you can see we just go bam, big bullish move right out of the gates of bouncing off this support line. So really nice move. Now one that I'm really happy about, which I'm in, is silver. Silver's up basically almost 3%. It was up a little bit more than 3% before, but now it's sort of coming down just a little bit from the highs. But you can see really nice. And the thing I like about silver is, look at this here. It's now created a higher trough. Big bullish move in silver. We did sort of come down through here, but now we're sort of hovering around here. I just see a lot more upside in silver to come. You can just see here, and I think this is the start of the upward move. If you look at the weekly chart here, this is the overall weekly. Let me bring up my weekly trend lines. This is the weekly chart here overall, guys, and you can see that really we had like X marks the spot. You had basically this channel through here, and you had this sort of support line. And this channel was basically this movement through here. Once, twice, and it's really interesting there. And now you can see this move up. So we major break up, and now we're coming back down here, still forming this overall big bull flag. For me, guys, I think I think this is the start of now something big happening in silver and gold, and I think we're likely to start seeing this into October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Maybe not. Maybe I might do that. But I just. In all seriousness, guys, I think the chart is setting up to be really nicely, real nice movement to the high side. Now, guys, something that I've been pointing out to you guys for quite some time is the stochastics, and I wanted to share with you once again what I see with those there, because this is just really interesting to see what I'm seeing. Oh, there we go again. So let me bring up, say, the silver price, and I want to share with you what I see here. And so a few things that market's still ticking over, as you can see. So a few things that you can see here. One, you got the nice stochastic sort of running up through here. It's actually pulling up quite nicely already. So you got that sort of divergence, or sort of nice sort of high trough through there, and you've got this sort of nice high trough through here. You've got this sort of downward pressure down there, which that's where it's probably hitting right now, as you can see. But I expect to see a breakout quite nicely with that. And same with why is it doing that for? And the same with gold as well too. So gold creating a really nice sort of hook on the divergence there, off that nice platform there. You can see it looks really nice. Now if I go to the actual ETFs, guys, you actually can see, and by the way, guys, for you guys that are looking at HUI, look how nice that looks. Just, guys, that is just phenomenal. And if you look at that setup, and I think First Majestic, some of you guys are looking at First Majestic as well too. I'm thinking about what I'm thinking about there. Guys, look at this setup here. Look at this major divergence happening here, around here. This is just a very powerful setup. And you can see here on GILD, really nice sort of hooking over there, really nice sort of pushing up. Would it basically almost a double bottom, or basically it was a double bottom, but now you got there's a lot more buying pressure coming into this as well too. So you can see with the volume overall, the volume is really nice. It's not a big spike, but we got got a quite nice move up from there. And looking on SLV, you actually can see, if I just draw my trend line from down to there, you can see what's happening now as well too. SLV really, you can see the stochastic got down the bottom here, up through there. This is creating a nice little high trough, even a double bottom, but we're getting really nice buying strength. But you can see SLV is getting a lot of buying activity into it. So really nice buying activity into silver and gold. As you guys know, I'm still in this one here. I expect to see a lot more upside coming into this market now. We've spent our time coming down through. So I think now, guys, moving forward, end of September and through October, November, and even December, I think we'll see some really exciting upward movement in the SLV, or the silver prices, and also gold prices as well too. While I'm here, guys, let me just quickly have a look at. Actually, let me type in here. First Majestic. So someone actually asked me about First Majestic and what I think about that. So let me actually just show you what I see here. So First Majestic, what I see. Let me have a look at this weekly chart here. First Majestic, we can see that there's a lot of support and resistance going on through there. You can see that's where it's at right now. We've had this big pull down on the weekly chart on the stochastics. Let me just sort of do some analysis here just really quickly. I know we also had a lot of support down there as well too. So you can see where the weekly support is. We definitely have definitely have the resistance up the top there, which is around $16. But if it breaks that level, then I think we can start to see a nice run to high side. So this is what's happening with the stochastics now. Let's go to the daily chart, and you can see what's happening right now. A bit of a double bottom, but you can see in this divergence, guys. This is a very bullish, very bullish sign for First Majestic. Anyone think about First Majestic? It's a bargain right now. It looks really nice. Obviously, there's no guarantees of any stock, but look at that buying volume coming in. And as again, you can see this really nice. You did have a double bottom, but look at that divergence and above the slow. When that happens, guys, it is just a phenomenal, especially when it comes at a nice support level right now. So amazing buying opportunity for First Majestic. For me, I am getting into this one now, and I'm having a target of a few 100%, and my stop is if it just stops below here. That's where I'm getting out. So there we go, guys. That's an update on silver, gold, First Majestic. And I think, guys, this is ready. That we are now getting ready for one hell of a bull movement. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.